This is the New York City Rescue Mission. It's a shelter for the homeless, founded over 130 years ago, the oldest of its kind in the United States. Approximately 100 beds are offered to the guests who seek free shelter for the evening. The rescue mission offers a place to rest one's body and mind.
No smoking inside, no drinking, no swearing. If a guy's caught doing anything, they have to leave. And there's consequences. They may be out for 7 to 30 days.
Due to the overwhelming number of people who seek shelter, a lottery is held each night. Free meals are offered to those who are not chosen.
Here, each guy has a lottery.
There are about 25 full-time residents living in this room. They are a select group of people who are part of a one-year residency program that focuses on spiritual growth. They are also responsible for cleaning, cooking, and maintaining the facilities of the rescue mission.
Well, before I came in the rescue mission, I was, on drugs and everything, and, I was really strung out in the street, and right now it's everything to me now, everything. It's all I have now. And I really love this mission and the brothers here and everybody. They've been a great help for me and the Lord.
As a baby, she's been here, she's seen men come and go. Yes, she has. She's seen men come and go. She never sleeps on the floor. See that? And she always finds something to eat.
Listen up, you new guys just got tokens.
This is 42-year-old Michael, once a drug user. Looking to change his life, Michael sought the help of the New York City Rescue Mission. He now assists the homeless people who come through the door each day.
How you doing? I'm just doing okay. All right. Battles. What I do, I help provide for the guys a place to stay and the food. If they have any problems, they can come to me or any other guys in the program to give them help. I wasn't going anywhere. My life was going downhill, and I needed a change. So I had to really get humble and let go of everything to come here. And it's been a really humbling experience to help a bro that need help.
It's 5 o'clock at the rescue mission, and a long line is forming outside. These homeless people have come to receive a meal and shelter for the night. The homeless are less visible to the general public, but still congregate in areas under bridges or at vacant lots throughout the city. The number of homeless people continues to grow each year, though the city only sponsors 200 shelters. If you are one of the lucky ones to win the lottery, you register your name and a number is given that indicates your bed for the night. Everyone is welcome as long as you obey the rules of the house. 5:30 p.m. and it's time for dinner. Each day, more than 200 people receive meals.
They want to shoot shots here. Okay.
Today's menu is beef stew. The meal is free to the guests. Volunteers from all over the city help in preparing the food, serving, and cleaning the dining room. They are essential to the service.
Nobody's going to go away hungry. Whether we got to make them a sandwich, or we just put something together for them. Honestly, being myself, that I used drugs at one time. I cleaned up my life 15 years ago. I took for so many years. And just by having the opportunity to give back, that's the greatest reward in the world. Honestly, it's true.
This good.
The rescue mission prepares meals twice a day at lunch and dinner. Approximately 150,000 meals are served each year. How are they able to cover the cost of this service? The arriving van is City Harvest. Today's delivery includes more than 400 loaves of bread. City Harvest is a nonprofit organization that collects unsold food and delivers it to the needy.
Anybody want my autograph? Autograph? You go away.
The food stored here is from City Harvest, fresh produce to preserved food.